up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We got another video for you here that's going to be a lot of fun. We're heading up to Cordele, Georgia. iTrack is holding a 3-day event called Fall Double Down. We came here last year and it was just absolute chaos. 3 days of driving, 30 hours total. It goes late into the night and it's just a blast. We ended up smashing every corner of the car last year when we were here. And it's just a lot of fun. It's pretty much just a 3-day party. So we're heading up here right now. My girl's entire family lives 15 minutes from this track. So we always attend every drift event that they have here because it's just too easy for us to come. So we'll be up there shortly. I'll catch you guys up to speed. All right, well, we made it out here. Ignore the wind noise, sorry. There's not many people here now. The event's not till tomorrow, but camping starts today, so people are going to roll in throughout the night. I have some Florida guys coming, so I got my trailer and car sideways. We're holding about 4 spots. I talked to Matt, who's running this thing, and he don't care. He told me to hold as many as I want, so we're going to keep these spots for these guys so we can have a nice party this weekend and have a good time. All right, we're out here day 1. It's already started, the driver's meeting. Over here with some of these guys. This is super fun. This guy, bro. So it's day 2. I've been driving just pretty conservatively today. I need to be easy on tires so we can drive hard tomorrow because the event's gonna go till midnight. Yeah, but they have a competition at 5 o'clock today, a Legends class competition. So we're gonna enter that. We already qualified. It wasn't a formal qualifying or anything. So I'm just waiting for that to start and we'll go out there and start having fun. First battle went good. We won. The guy spun out, so we just gave up halfway through the run and went around and got the win. So we're on to top 8. did he spin? Did he spin?
A little bit.
All right, all right. Go. Good job, bro. All right, top 8 battles done. We got the win. Time to move on to top 4. Let's go, baby! All right, top 4, we got the win. Moving on to the finals. See how it goes. We're either gonna battle Adam or one of my other buddies, both Florida boys. So after this battle, I was confident that I had the win. The guys at the start line had us all pull over for the award ceremony, and after 2 minutes, they decided that they want to run it back one more time. So here's that battle here.
Nobody's told me anything yet, so I don't know, but I'm pretty sure.
I think he spun over the line too.
I think so.
I went a little wide. I'd shallowed up near the end.
I think we made a mistake somewhere. Hold on. All right. In 4th place, from Florida, and the JZX, Adam Spangler. Thanks, Dad. In 3rd place, from Florida, and the FRS, Merrick. Whatever your last name is. Alright guys, what do y'all think? Corvette? Woo! 230? Woo! Don't do that. He goes with you. They both do. Yeah, they both do. Well, I would say that you guys are pretty right. Brian Sturman taking home first.
Yes, yes, show me how.
Oh, fuck.
It's our first time.
Give it up for your winners! Eating y'all damn cords, it's time to play!
Let's go. We got the dub. 1st place. We got Adam, got 4th place. Super rad. The last one, doored him a couple times. They re-ran it back. We thought it was over. Did the same thing again. So let's go. Needed that. I'm trying to find a place where I can talk to you guys, but we got 30 car tandems going on right now, and it's going to be going all night. We got 1st place. It feels pretty good. This comp wasn't anything serious, but a win is always nice. makes me real happy, especially since we moved to Florida. Really haven't had many wins, so hope we got some good videos in there. It was definitely needed. It was a lot of fun. We're gonna go back out there, keep driving throughout the night. This is only day 1. We got 2 more days of this, so stay tuned for the rest of it.